So we all know what traditional menopause symptoms look like, or what we've heard about, your standard hot flashes, insomnia, etc., weight gain. But let's talk about the symptoms that nobody talks about.
I experience extremely itchy skin. It's very weird. I've never had that before, but then I read somewhere that, oh no, you can have itchy skin and you can also develop eczema or psoriasis in parts of the body. And I'm just gonna put it all under the menopause umbrella. Hair's falling out, ears tingling, ringing. All of it's menopause.
Yep.
All of it.
I get that. Yeah.
I actually didn't even realize that was a symptom, because when you just mentioned it, it was like a light bulb, because I was having every night, I would start getting so itchy. I thought I had bed bugs or something. I'm like, but then in the day, I'm perfectly fine. I have no bites. There's no discoloration. Yep. It was just severe itchiness. I'm like, wow, I'm losing it, And then the other thing about the hair loss was concerning to me, because my hairdresser said, your hair is a little bit thinner. I'm like, oh my God. Yeah, those are really weird symptoms.
Yeah, it is. Michelle, have you had any?
Some incontinence, a little embarrassing, but long car rides. Mm-hmm. It used to be the kids were the ones that you had to stop for, but now mom's got to stop too.
I know this is a common one, but adult acne, I've never had acne in my life. So this is having to be the acne girl is very humbling.
Yeah.
And not knowing how to fix it. Now I can relate to my friends who had acne issues. It just happens when it wants to, it goes away when it wants to, and I just feel like a victim.
I didn't know this, which was about when you have a hormonal dip that you become more clumsy, that you drop things or break things. And I was like, it makes so much sense, because always prior to a period, I would start dropping things, breaking, and I'm not a forgetful person, and or somebody that's clumsy. And I had never known that. And then once I mentioned it to somebody else who was also in menopause, they were like, oh, I break stuff all the time, or I run into stuff all the time, or I have bruises from running into the table or stubbing my toe, or do you know what I mean?
I'm literally having a moment right now. I knock over things and I run into stuff.
I walked right into a patio door, and I've never done anything like that before.
Yeah.
Right into it. I was like, this is crazy. What is this?
I think that that's one of the hard things to discern.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Is this real, or is this menopause? Mm-hmm. At Winona, we have an ebook that's 100+ symptoms of menopause.
Okay.
100. So asking the OBGYNs at Winona, about that.
Okay.
Okay, hey, I experience A, B, C, D, E. Is this just me? Or is this part of menopause? For me, at least, it's been really helpful to have go-to people. I feel relief when I find out oh, it's just menopause.
Yes.
Good.